Hi, welcome to Hard Resident Info channel. The viewers in front of me, Canon Zoemini, and now I'm gonna show you does Xiaomi zinc paper cards fit to this printer or no. So here inside of my printer I have original Canon Zoe zinc paper, as you can see. But now I will try to insert in this printer Xiaomi paper cards from Xiaomi Zinc smart photo mini printer. So here, as you can see, I have normal Xiaomi paper cards, Mi Zinc, and let's insert these paper cards with the with this sheet. So, with a calibrating card. Okay, and let's try to print something. So I will open the photo album, and for example, I don't know, I want to print something beautiful. Unfortunately, it's maybe not too possible to find something good. Okay, for example, this picture, and let's click print. And as you can see, here we have the wrong paper message. But wait a while. Wait a while, go back, and let's try to print again. And as you can see, images are printing successfully without any troubles, without artifacts or something in this story. So as you can see, my picture was printed very good, and that's it. As you can see, we can use different types of zinc paper, and you just need to have just zinc paper. Here on my Canon zinc, I have zinc 19. Here on my Xiaomi zinc, I have zinc 28. But as you can see, zinc 19 and 28 fits, so we can use different types of zinc paper on this Canon. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!